Hey guys, it's Jana and I am here at Kohl's. Of course, I gotta spend my $50 Kohl's cash, so I just thought I'd bring you around with me. So I want to find some summery clothes, I guess. I just have so many pairs of jeans, so it would be nice to have something nice and light for the summer. So that's what I'm on the hunt for. So go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up, check all the links down below, and let's go Kohl's shopping. Alright guys, I am home from Kohl's, so I just wanted to show you what I got. So I think I'm going to do it fashion show style. Why not, right? So hang on, I'll go get an outfit on. So I got this tank top. I really like it. It is very soft and just kind of big and floppy and comfy cozy. I like it. Do you like it? I like it. Alright, so this is the same tank top as the gray one. It's just in maroon. And then I got these gray shorts. I thought they were really cute. They're a little stretchy, so they're good for the summer. And yeah, I really liked it. I thought this shirt was really pretty with just the little flowers on it. Well, I guess it's kind of a big pattern, but I like the big pattern. I think it's really cute. It looks good with the gray shorts too, but it'll look good with jean shorts. I just need to get one of those. Well, I have those, but put one of those bra strap holder thingies on my back. But yeah, I have those, so we're good there. But very cute. So this is actually probably the most surprising purchase that I did today. I have never had a romper before. I think they're really cute on other people, but I have never gotten one for myself. And I tried this one on and I actually really liked it. See, it has like the lacy back, super cute, and it's actually easy to take off for when you go to the bathroom, because everybody knows you like full on have to take off everything. I did really like that blue one, but it had like a button up on the back of your neck that I have no idea how anybody could get to without you know, like taking a buddy to the bathroom. So it was really cute. I think it laid out really nicely, but if you can't get out of it by yourself, it is not okay to get that romper. So, yeah. So this was my last thing that I got. Pretty fun. So, alright. That was my Kohl's cash that I got to spend just on Mom. I'm so excited to put these pieces into my wardrobe and mix and match them and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up, check all the links down below, and I will see you next time.